Hi, I'm going to give you a quick tour around the studio. I'm just getting set up to do some live streaming. My studio is pretty small. It's really just these 3 work tables here. I mainly work at that middle table where I draw and paint. When I do big paintings, I work on my easel. Here's my easel. I have it over here right now. But it's just a small bedroom, and I kind of set it up that up here you see there's a bulletin board. It's just that I have so I can here's a fantasy map project that I was working on, and I have these picture rails that I made to that I can put wet paintings on so they can dry. There's my these are goggles that I wear when I have to look at things real close, and I just have lots and lots of pencils and tools all through here. You can see all that. I have some more picture rails over here. There's a bookshelf back there that's kind of messy. There's a few paintings that I have hanging on the wall here. I have a guitar where I strum on my guitar sometimes. Here's like a little bin where I keep stuff. When people come by, they can look for small things if they want to buy something. There's my computer, and right now I'm set up for streaming. So you can see here's my overhead cam that I use there, and yeah, there's not much more to see. Here's my track lights. I have them off right now, but and I have this kind of clothesline set up for when I do printmaking. So I'll make the prints and just have them hang there to dry. Hi. So, yeah, there's a quick tour of the place, and yeah, when you come and see me, I'm gonna be working on some projects. Here, I don't know if I'll be working on this particular project, but here are some monster designs that I was working on, like a fantasy project. So you might see me working on like painting this in, and here's just to give you an idea of what it's like. This is set up so that you can. I'm gonna zoom it in for you. So this will be set up so you can see me painting here. That's how it works. And there's a chat room on the side. Check it out. I think it's pretty awesome. You're gonna like it.